Presenting the awards in these categories.
First up is Manufacturing, Logistics and Transportation, Materials for Manufacturing.
A bronze award goes to Robos for Robos 3D parts with revenue inside. Robos connects and digitally coordinates 3D printers so that they can easily take on intermittent projects filling their spare cycles. A silver award goes to Resolute Forest Products for the TMP biorefinery, a patented technology to transform wood-based chemicals such as lignin and cellulosic sugars into innovative commercial products like adhesives, animal feeds, and composites. The gold award goes to Dow for Dowsol CC8030 UV and Moisture Dual Cure Conformal Coating.
The next category is Manufacturing, Logistics and Transportation, Sustainable Farming Solutions.
A bronze award goes to Sabic for their Urea Calcium Sulfate UCS products, high-efficiency fertilizer containing nitrogen, calcium, and sulfur. A silver award goes to Sabic for their soluble granular NPK fertilizer. Sabic has developed a unique process for converting conventional NPK fertilizers into soluble granular products that are suitable for fertigation. The gold award goes to New Holland Agriculture for the Loopmaster knotting technology.
Up next, the Manufacturing, Logistics and Transportation, Thermal Conductivity category.
A bronze award goes to KPS Global for the KPS Global New Freezer Technology for the Arctic Express Pack's Gel Pack production system. Reimagines automation within the cold chain through reduced freezing times. A silver award goes to the Nano and Advanced Materials Institute and Longsing Technology Group for the HPC battery for extreme temperature IoT trackers. The HPC battery features superior extreme temperature tolerance. The gold award goes to Dow Performance Silicones for Dowsol TC5515LT Thermally Conductive Battery Gap Filler.
Next category is Manufacturing, Logistics and Transportation, Tracking, Logistics and Smart Solutions.
A bronze award goes to Coconut Silo Co. for Coco Truck. Logistics in emerging markets is complicated. Coco Truck connects all parties into a single, unified platform. A silver award goes to Enel for the Juicebox Smart Charging Station. Grid-responsive, smart charging stations for maximum performance and convenience. The gold award goes to QMID Innovations for Quest.
What if there was an easy, quick, and reliable way to manage orthopedic kits? Now there's a simple solution from QMed Innovations that offers you tremendous savings. Quest Transponder with QView Portal. Quest gives you unprecedented insight by capturing data and delivering analytics that you couldn't get before on kit location, inventory turns, maintenance, and calibration tracking.
Next up, the Personal Technology Design Enhancements category.
A bronze award goes to MIT Media Lab for Essence Wearables. Essence Wearables release short bursts of fragrance based on physiological signals, such as heart rate and respiration rate. A silver award goes to Motorola Mobility, a Lenovo company, for the Motorola Razr 5G. The new Motorola Razr shows that great things happen when opposites come together. The Gold Award goes to GoPro for the Hero 9 Black.
The next category is Personal Technology, Personal Wellness Technology.
A bronze award goes to Oral-B for the IO Electric Toothbrush, a reimagined electric toothbrush providing a professional clean feel at home. A silver award goes to Eargo for Eargo Neo Hi-Fi, a virtually invisible hearing aid with app-based personalization. The Gold Award goes to Abbott for the Freestyle Libre 2 Integrated Continuous Glucose Monitoring System.
Our next category is Personal Technology, Tactical Imaging Technology.
A bronze award goes to SkyGrid, a Boeing Spark Cognition company for SkyGrid flight control, an all-in-one drone app that automates every phase of flight. A silver award goes to MSA for Lunar. Lunar is a small, wireless, cloud-ready device designed to provide higher levels of protection for firefighters. The Gold Award goes to Bounce Imaging for the Recce 360 Mini.
Next up is the Science, Medical and Dental Advanced Surgical Instruments category.
A silver award goes to Zimmer Biomet for the Tether, the only flexible, FDA-approved non-fusion scoliosis solution for children. The Gold Award goes to Arthrex for the internal brace ligament augmentation repair system.
Our next category is Science, Medical and Dental Cardiology.
A bronze award goes to Impulse Dynamics for cardiac contractility modulation therapy for heart failure. CCM therapy designed to improve contractility of the heart, allowing more oxygen-rich blood to the body. A silver award goes to Edwards Life Sciences for the Sapien 3 transcatheter heart valve, a transcatheter aortic valve replacement for severe aortic stenosis without the need for open heart surgery. And the Gold Award goes to Medtronic for the Micra AV transcatheter pacing system.
When Micra VR came out, it completely changed the form factor. It changed the picture that you think of in your mind when you think about a pacemaker. Micra AV is utilizing the accelerometer that's built into the device already to sense when the atria have contracted so that the device knows when to pace the ventricle.
Up next is the Science, Medical, and Dental, Cellular Research and Disease Prevention category.
A bronze award goes to Olympus Corporation of America for the Olympus Provi CM20 Incubation Monitoring System, a remote and quantitative cell monitoring system powered by AI. A silver award goes to Deep Bio for DeepDX Prostate, a cloud-based program that aids pathologists in diagnosing cancer. The gold award goes to Merck & Co. for Ervebo, Merck's vaccine for the prevention of disease caused by Zaire Ebola virus in individuals 18 years of age and older.
The next category is Science, Medical, and Dental, IoT.
A bronze award goes to Curie Bio for Manta Ray, accelerating drug development with human 3D engineered muscle tissues to test whether new medicines are safe and effective for human heart tissue. A silver award goes to Cloud DX for Vitality Continuous Vital Signs Monitor, the most advanced medical wearable for continuous vital sign monitoring. The gold award goes to Medtronic for Link 2 with MyCare Link Heart App.
We rely on these devices to help us diagnose arrhythmia, so we need the most accurate device available, and that's what we're getting with Link 2.
It's automatically done through the phone. They don't have to think about it. It's happening every day, every second.
Patients will always have that peace of mind that they know that they're being monitored continuously.
Remote programming is the capability to program the patient's device wherever the patient is in the world.
Next up is the Science, Medical, and Dental, Surgical Visualization Platforms category.
A silver award goes to Centiar Command EP System by HS Design. Centiar is an augmented reality platform that projects real-time holographic images of a patient's heart during surgical procedures. The gold award goes to Arthrex for their nano arthroscopy system.
We'd like to invite all the winners in these categories, both here and around the globe, to stand and be recognized. Please give them a big round of applause. Now let's hear from members of our virtual audience.
Thank you so much for this honor. We wish we could be there to celebrate with all of you.
We are so excited to receive the Edison Awards with our extreme temperature battery. Mommy, you're on their paper.
On behalf of everyone at KPS Global, and especially our innovation contributors, Jim Costanza, Raul Sharma, and Mike Klein, thank you for this award.
Thank you to the Edison Award for this honor. Thank you. Thank you very much. Wow.
On behalf of everyone at Cloud DX, thank you so much for this prestigious Edison Award.